How to prevent psoriasis flare-ups? Unfortunately, psoriasis is a fairly common condition. There are some triggers that can cause flare-ups, but there are also some home remedies and home practices that can help you to easily reduce flare-ups. Let's take a look at some of the things that can help. Cold weather can cause flare-ups in psoriasis sufferers. This can be simply attributed to darkness, low temperature, and humidity. If you want to prevent inflammation, it is recommended to dress as warmly as possible and avoid exposing your skin to dry and cold weather. Dry skin is also a so-called trigger for psoriasis. It's very important to stay hydrated, as skin that is too dry can flare up. Herbal balms such as a Psorisoft Extra Balm can help a lot, but there are also mineral oil preparation that can be effective. If psoriasis also affects your scalp, it is important to keep it moisturized. Especially during the heating season, using a vaporizer is great. This can help you avoid dry air. UV rays can help a lot in reducing unpleasant symptoms. Not only is natural sunlight recommended, but also light therapy. However, sunburn can be extremely dangerous, so sunbathe carefully in summer. Many psoriasis sufferers are also vitamin D deficient, according to several studies. It is worth having a vitamin D deficiency test and then supplementing if necessary. In addition to sunlight, there is also a lot of vitamin D in salmon, and of course supplements are effective. Psoriasis can also appear on certain damaged skin areas, known as Koebner's phenomenon. You have to be careful not to damage your skin too much. Stress can make the symptoms worse and it can flare up. It is a good idea to try stress management method. Diet can affect psoriasis depending on the individual, but there are some foods that can make the symptoms worse for everyone, such as lots of sugar, sugary foods, and drinks. Being overweight can also make things worse, so a diet and regular exercise may be worthwhile. You can do a lot with a bow, but it's always a good idea to see a specialist.